If you love spending time in your garden but hate swatting at mosquitoes every few minutes, you're in the right place. Because today, we're uncovering nature's very own pest patrol, 15 powerful plants that naturally keep mosquitoes away, without chemicals, sprays, or expensive gadgets. That's right, these are not just any plants. They're easy to grow, beautiful additions to your garden that smell wonderful to us, and absolutely awful to mosquitoes. Some are herbs you can cook with. Others bloom into gorgeous flowers that light up your yard. And a few, well, they're powerful enough to send those buzzing pests packing from the moment they take flight. And the best part, most of these plants require little effort to grow and care for. Perfect for gardeners who enjoy peaceful afternoons and simple, lasting results. Welcome to Timeless Gardening, where we believe it's never too late to grow something beautiful. If you're new here, make yourself at home. This channel is made with you in mind, filled with gentle tips, seasonal inspiration, and garden ideas that work for real people at any stage of life. So grab your sun hat, maybe a cup of tea, and let's stroll through 15 natural mosquito-repelling plants that will change how you enjoy your backyard forever. Ready? Let's begin. Let's start with one of the most beloved and recognizable plants in any garden, lavender. Known for its soothing scent and delicate purple blooms, lavender does much more than just look pretty. It naturally contains essential oils like linalool and linyl acetate, compounds that give it that heavenly fragrance and that mosquitoes can't stand. Plant lavender near walkways, porches, windows, or seating areas where you spend the most time outdoors. Even a gentle breeze across its blooms can help create a mosquito-repellent barrier around your space. Lavender thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, and once it's established, it doesn't need much water at all. In fact, it loves to be left alone, just a little trimming now and then to keep it tidy. It grows beautifully in containers too, so if you enjoy gardening from a patio or balcony, or prefer raised beds, lavender is a gentle aromatic companion that works with your space and your rhythm. And here's something lovely. When you brush your hand across its soft foliage, the scent lingers on your skin, offering a little bubble of peace wherever you go. It's easy, it's elegant, and it just might become your favorite plant, especially once you notice fewer mosquito bites and more moments of calm. Next on our list is a true classic in the world of mosquito control, citronella grass. You've probably heard the name from candles and sprays, but the real power lies in the living plant itself. Citronella grass releases a strong citrusy scent that masks the odors mosquitoes use to locate us, making it much harder for them to find you in the first place. With its tall, graceful blades and lemony fragrance, citronella grass adds texture and elegance to your garden. It's especially perfect in large pots or decorative containers that you can place near doorways, patios, or outdoor seating areas. This plant loves the sun and thrives in warm, well-drained soil. Give it a nice sunny spot and it will grow strong and tall, reaching up to 5 or 6 feet if you let it. A real statement piece that works double duty as both a natural repellent and a striking garden accent. And here's a little tip. If you ever feel a mosquito buzzing around, simply break off a blade and rub it gently between your palms. The oils released offer a light, natural shield for your skin. No chemicals needed. Citronella grass is beautiful, fragrant, and functional. A wonderful addition to any senior-friendly garden that's both low maintenance and highly effective. Bright, cheerful, and surprisingly powerful, marigolds are more than just eye-catching flowers. These golden and orange blooms are natural mosquito fighters, thanks to a compound they produce called pyrethrum, a key ingredient in many natural insect repellents. What makes marigolds especially wonderful is their versatility. They're perfect for borders, flower beds, containers, or even tucked in between your vegetable plants. Not only will they add a bold splash of color, but they'll help protect your garden from mosquitoes, aphids, whiteflies, and even some garden beetles. These flowers love the sunshine and are incredibly easy to grow. Just plant them in well-drained soil, give them plenty of sunlight, and water them regularly. They'll reward you with blooms that last from spring all the way through fall. And for those who enjoy a little gardening every morning, marigolds are the perfect companion. They bloom fast, respond well to care, and make you feel like something's always happening in your garden. Plant them near your front porch or outdoor sitting areas, and you'll not only enjoy their warm glow, but you'll also notice fewer mosquitoes buzzing around while you sip your evening tea or chat with neighbors. Simple, sunny, and strong, marigolds are the kind of garden friend that brings joy and protection. Now let's talk about a garden favorite that belongs both outside in the sun and inside your kitchen: basil. Most people know basil for its wonderful flavor in pasta sauces and salads, but what many don't realize is that it's also a surprisingly effective mosquito repellent. The strong aroma that makes basil so delicious to us is completely off-putting to mosquitoes. Whether it's sweet basil, lemon basil, or Thai basil, all varieties emit a rich scent that confuses and repels insects. It's one of those rare plants that works hard and smells amazing while doing it. Basil thrives in full sun and moist, well-drained soil. It's great in pots on a sunny windowsill, porch railing, or right outside the kitchen door. Anywhere convenient so you can snip a few leaves for your meals while also protecting your outdoor space from biting pests. And here's a lovely little bonus. When you gently brush against the leaves as you water or harvest them, they release even more of their scent, forming a gentle protective barrier in the air around you. It's easy to grow, it's useful, and it offers beauty and purpose all in one. Whether you're tending a full garden or just a few pots on a patio, basil is a plant worth growing for flavor and for peace of mind. Next up is a refreshingly fragrant favorite, peppermint. Known for its cool, invigorating scent and soothing properties, peppermint is also one of nature's best-kept secrets when it comes to keeping mosquitoes at bay. The strong menthol aroma overwhelms the mosquitoes' senses, making it difficult for them to zero in on you. Peppermint is incredibly easy to grow, especially in containers. In fact, it's often better to keep it in a pot, as it spreads quickly and can easily take over a garden bed if left unchecked. Place a few pots around your porch, patio, or windows to create a fresh-smelling, mosquito-resistant barrier. This plant enjoys partial sun to full sun and moist, well-drained soil. And just like with basil, brushing against its leaves releases a burst of scent that acts like a gentle shield around you. Here's a little extra tip. You can crush a few leaves between your fingers and rub the oils on your wrists or ankles for a light, natural mosquito deterrent. It's not only effective, but smells far better than any store-bought spray. So whether you're enjoying a quiet afternoon in the garden, or simply relaxing with a good book by the window, peppermint is one of those plants that brings calm, comfort, and protection, all from one leafy little powerhouse. Now let's spend a few moments with a delightfully calming herb that smells like sunshine, lemon balm. A member of the mint family, lemon balm has a sweet citrusy scent that's as comforting to us as it is confusing to mosquitoes. It contains high levels of citronelle, the same natural compound found in citronella plants, which makes it a gentle yet effective mosquito repellent. Lemon balm is one of those plants that seems to smile as it grows. It thrives in both sunny and partially shaded spots, prefers moist but well-drained soil, and spreads easily, so it's perfect if you want to fill a quiet corner or line a garden path with greenery that works. It's a great choice for raised beds, window boxes, or even hanging baskets near your sitting area. And just like peppermint, a simple touch of the leaves releases its fragrant oils into the air, forming a light, natural shield around you. Many gardeners love lemon balm for more than its bug-repelling properties. It's also often used to make soothing teas and herbal infusions that calm the nerves and lift the spirit. So whether you're warding off mosquitoes or just looking for a gentle companion plant that makes your garden smell lovely, lemon balm is a charming, easy-to-grow option that adds beauty, fragrance, and peace to any senior-friendly space. Next, we have rosemary, a fragrant herb that's not only a staple in kitchens around the world, but also a natural mosquito repellent with a rich, piney aroma that mosquitoes just don't like. Rosemary is a woody, evergreen herb that thrives in sunny spots and well-drained soil. It's hardy and drought-tolerant, making it a perfect low-maintenance choice for seniors who want beauty and function without a lot of fuss. Plant rosemary in your garden beds, containers, or near outdoor seating areas to create a natural barrier against mosquitoes and other pesky insects. The scent intensifies when you brush against its leaves, helping to keep bugs away while you enjoy your garden. Plus, rosemary's elegant needle-like leaves and delicate blue flowers add a lovely texture and color to any garden space. It also pairs beautifully with many other herbs like thyme, sage, and lavender, making your garden a fragrant, inviting place to spend your days. And here's a tip. You can snip fresh rosemary to use in cooking or to make simple, homemade mosquito repellent sachets to keep around your home. It's a versatile plant that truly brings a lot of value and charm to your gardening experience. Our next plant might bring a smile to cat lovers' faces, catnip. But did you know that beyond delighting our feline friends, catnip is also a powerful mosquito repellent? Catnip contains a natural compound called nepentolactone, which studies show can be up to 10 times more effective at repelling mosquitoes than some chemical sprays. That's quite impressive for a simple garden plant. This hardy perennial grows easily in full sun or partial shade, and prefers well-drained soil. It can spread quickly, so consider planting it in containers if you want to keep it contained. Besides its practical benefits, catnip has soft fuzzy leaves that add lovely texture to your garden beds or pots. And if you have cats, they'll likely enjoy having their own little patch to play in. Just be prepared for some happy feline visitors. Planting catnip near patios, doorways, or windows is a natural way to discourage mosquitoes from invading your space. Plus, gently crushing the leaves releases its mosquito-repelling oils, making it a handy all-natural defense you can carry with you. Catnip is a wonderful addition to any senior-friendly garden, combining charm, usefulness, and a little extra joy for cat lovers. Now let's turn to a powerful and often underappreciated garden ally, garlic. Not only is garlic a staple in kitchens worldwide, but its strong scent also acts as a natural mosquito deterrent. The sulfur compounds released by garlic plants are unappealing to mosquitoes and many other insects. Growing garlic is simple. It prefers full sun and well-drained soil. Plant garlic cloves in the fall or early spring, and by summer you'll have beautiful green shoots and eventually delicious bulbs ready for your kitchen. Even while growing, the green foliage of garlic can help keep mosquitoes away when planted around your garden edges or near outdoor seating. It's a fantastic way to add an invisible protective barrier while enhancing your cooking. Plus, garlic is a hardy, low-maintenance plant perfect for gardeners who appreciate plants that do double duty, beauty and function. So if you want to keep mosquitoes at bay while adding a delicious ingredient to your meals, garlic is a must-have in your garden. Now let's talk about a classic herbal remedy with a strong reputation for keeping mosquitoes away: pennyroyal. Pennyroyal is a member of the mint family and produces a strong minty aroma that mosquitoes find quite unpleasant. Historically, it's been used in folk medicine as a natural insect repellent and pest deterrent. This plant thrives in sunny to partly shaded areas and prefers moist, well-drained soil. It can spread quickly, so many gardeners grow pennyroyal in containers to keep it from overtaking other plants. When you gently crush the leaves, they release a pungent scent that works to repel mosquitoes naturally. Some gardeners like to use the fresh leaves to make homemade repellents or simply place pots of pennyroyal near outdoor seating areas. One important note: while pennyroyal is wonderful for keeping bugs away, it should never be ingested or used internally, especially by seniors or those with health concerns, as it can be toxic in large amounts. Always handle with care and keep it out of reach of children and pets. With its bright green leaves and effective mosquito-repelling qualities, pennyroyal is a practical and attractive addition to your garden. Just remember to enjoy it safely. Next up is a fragrant herb that combines beauty and function: lemon thyme. With its small, delicate leaves and subtle lemon scent, lemon thyme is a wonderful companion plant that mosquitoes tend to avoid. The citrus aroma masks the scents that attract mosquitoes, helping keep your outdoor spaces more comfortable and bite-free. Lemon thyme thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, making it perfect for containers, borders, or edging along garden paths. Its low-growing habit and soft texture add a lovely layer of greenery that's easy on the eyes and gentle to tend. Beyond its mosquito-repelling benefits, lemon thyme is a delightful culinary herb that adds fresh, zesty notes to dishes like roasted vegetables, grilled meats, and herbal teas. It's a true multitasker in any senior-friendly garden. Simply brushing your fingers over the leaves releases their aromatic oils, creating a natural barrier that discourages mosquitoes while you enjoy your time outside. So if you're looking for a gentle, fragrant plant that keeps bugs at bay and adds a touch of culinary magic to your garden, lemon thyme is a fantastic choice. Now let's explore a wonderfully fragrant and versatile herb: sage. Sage has been used for centuries not only in cooking, but also for its natural insect repellent properties. The strong, earthy aroma of sage helps keep mosquitoes and other pesky insects at bay, making it an excellent addition to your garden. This hardy perennial thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, requiring minimal maintenance, perfect for gardeners seeking low-effort plants that still offer great benefits. Sage grows beautifully in pots, garden beds, or even as part of an herb spiral. Burning dried sage leaves, a practice known as smudging, has also been used historically to clear away insects and purify the air, but simply having the plant nearby is a natural deterrent. Plus, the soft silvery green leaves and occasional purple flowers bring texture and color to your garden, making it both a practical and beautiful choice. For seniors looking to combine gardening with natural home remedies, sage offers an inviting aroma, culinary uses, and insect protection all rolled into one. Lavender is a classic favorite. Beloved not only for its beautiful purple blooms but also for its powerful mosquito-repelling abilities. Its calming fragrance soothes the senses and gently wards off mosquitoes and other insects, making it a perfect companion for outdoor seating areas and gardens. Lavender thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, preferring a slightly dry environment, which makes it a low-maintenance option for gardeners who want beauty with minimal fuss. Its slender gray-green leaves and vibrant flowers attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, adding life and movement to your garden while keeping mosquitoes at bay. Simply brushing your fingers across lavender's flowers or leaves releases its aromatic oils, creating a natural shield against pesky bugs as you relax outside. Lavender is truly a timeless plant that combines elegance, fragrance, and practical mosquito defense, perfect for seniors who want a serene, welcoming garden. Next up is a plant you might already be familiar with in the form of candles and sprays: citronella grass. Citronella grass is a tall, hardy plant known for its strong lemony scent, which is the natural source of citronella oil, a well-known mosquito repellent. Growing this grass in your garden or in large pots around your patio can create a fragrant natural barrier that helps keep mosquitoes away without the need for chemicals. This grass thrives in warm climates and prefers full sun and well-drained soil. It can grow quite tall, making it excellent for creating privacy screens or decorative borders that also protect your outdoor spaces. While citronella grass itself doesn't have showy flowers, its scent alone is a powerful defense against mosquitoes and other insects. Just walking past the leaves releases the protective aroma. For seniors looking for a natural way to enjoy mosquito-free evenings, citronella grass is a practical and attractive choice, combining garden beauty with effective bug control. Those were 15 amazing plants that naturally keep mosquitoes away while brightening your garden. We hope these ideas help you enjoy your outdoor space more comfortably. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow gardeners, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.